If you were a friend of mine, you know how much I love automation. If something repetitive can be done automatically, I believe no human should be doing it once they know how it's done. For example, I edit my audio in software called Adobe Audition. One of the things I do a lot in Audition is switching input and output devices to see how my voice sounds in monitoring speakers, AirPods, headphones, and TV to make my voice sound well in all different types of devices. Normally, I should go to Edit, Preferences, Audio Hardware, click on default output, and then change the device. It's at least 4 to 5 steps that takes 3 to 5 seconds, even if I'm doing it in my fastest pace. Alternatively, I created an action flow, which can do all of them in less than a second. I created a hotkey for Ctrl plus Shift plus K to open preferences, another hotkey to press down 3 times, another hotkey to press tab once, and another toolbox action to click once on that specific area of the screen after 20 milliseconds. All of them takes 80 milliseconds compared to 3 to 4 seconds manually. Now with one button, I'm instantly at the output section. It's ridiculously fast. I also created another action where it clicks on device class and I can quickly switch to my sound card. Simply copied and pasted the same action because most of actions are the same. And for the end, I changed the mouse click position and I also created another one for switching to MME hardware. Now have a look. I press ASIO and boom, it's done. I press MME, done. I could do a lot in much less time once I find what is being repeated in my workflow. I can create an action for it and save so much time. So I can go outside more, meet more people, and enjoy my life more. This is where the D6 shines. It makes repetitive tasks disappear. Even if you have a huge business, it's going to save you so much time and effort and money and energy.